You know, 2022 is not the year I thought I'd be shooting less large format. Oh, hey there. My name is Marrash, and for the last 2 and change years here on the channel, we have been going hard on large format photography. Technique, different processes, really anything I've picked up along the last 12 plus years, I've been trying to share with every one of you. And it's been an awesome ride getting so many new folks into the world of large format photography. It's important for me to continue that and to help grow this channel, but it's equally important that I don't completely burn out in the process. You do something over and over and over, it can really feel like a chore, it can feel like a job, and I don't want it to become that. I don't want to hate this part of photography that I love so much. So in an effort to stave off that burnout, I've been slowing way down. So what have I been doing with all of this free time? Some of it's been freelance work, a lot of it's been teaching, and still a good chunk of it has been film photography. The only problem is it hasn't been large format. You know, there's more to film photography than these gigantic cameras and the big sheets of film that get loaded into them, and I want to share that part of my life with all of you. So over the coming weeks and months, you're going to see the channel rolling out more content that isn't necessarily large format. Fridays are still LFF and those aren't going anywhere, but we're going to be adding some extra siblings to the channel. Oh, so before we head out today, make sure you go ahead and get subscribed and hit that notification bell if you want to know when those new series are going to drop. Again, they're not going to be on Fridays, they're going to be some other time during the week, and they'll probably have a theme associated with them, a la LFF. Okay, thanks. If you have any questions, drop those in the comments, and you can always feel free to shoot me an email, largeformatquestions@gmail.com. Thanks again for stopping by, and we'll catch you soon for more large and non-large format photography.